To news now from the ongoing One Don Gang trial. There were more shocking details about the operations of the criminal network. The court heard of plans by the alleged gang leader to increase its gun stock. And as Raquel Porter now tells us, audio recordings also revealed that a local entertainer said he could help one of the accused to get a visa.
For the second time in the One Don Gang trial, popular entertainer Ioctane is the subject of a conversation. In the voice recording played in court Tuesday, the star witness and alleged gang member Fabian Johnson, otherwise called Crux, were heard discussing plans to flee the country.
Link the boy acting pan the thing you tell man about a 250 a come. It's like a joke thing the man depend.
Where am I say about 250? Where am I say for 250? A 250 in my gear?
No, pan my thing man, pan book thing man, you see it?
Oh, 250. Ah.
In can hook the thing better charge you see me?
So you should have talked to the man about it.
Ah.
So why you never tell him about it a while ago?
What you say?
Why you never tell the G about it?
The dog know man.
Him know?
Yeah man, the dog know.
When further pressed by Chief Justice Brian Sykes, the witness explained that under the guise of being a member of his team, the artist would have been able to get him a visa. During Tuesday's proceedings, the witness also identified the voice talking about purchasing additional illegal guns as alleged leader Andre Blackman Bryan. That conversation was among the witness, defendants Stephanie Christie, Fabian Johnson, and Mr. Bryan.
Yeah man, it up man. Chrome. It new, brand new. 2 clip the dog say I give me with it. One of my dog they lend me car. My dog Squeezy I tell me say one of your cousin did I say in the sun they want race still, but my dog would have lend me the money in the day same way I want grab it, you see me?
I want buy a couple more still, dog. I want buy more. I want buy a couple more.
Yeah, cause one of my little dog have something him they want left for me, you know. Easy if he come in, but a good thing a dog I tell me say not too dead end of the avenue. So me I say, yo, I want them have sitting in the lane. You see me? Don't know we can't beat up the place, you see it?
And it also appeared the gang was facing financial woes. In one of the audio recordings, one of the defendants suggested to Mr. Bryan that he should consider selling cocaine to finance the criminal network, given that the list of disloyal members was growing.
I tell you, dog, just the two of we just lift up and build up the thing, you know. Cause you hear me? Them don't see a coke thing them a deal with you now, you see me?
Hold on.
Jay.
Hold on, look like him drop off. Me I gotta add him back.
Ah.
Here?
Him not reach yet.
Yeah, me I gotta add him back on the call.
Ah.
Crooks.
Yo.
My credit done, man.
Oh, fame credit.
My credit, I me call him.
Oh. Me I say my dog. Me I tell you say me G cause coming like them want load off some coke thing, you know. Cause I hit them a deal with you now around there, you see it?
The trial continues tomorrow. Raquel Porter, TVJ News.